Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Lexus NX 300. Begin by parking on level ground and securing the parking brake, then gather 5 quarts of recommended oil, a compatible oil filter, a wrench, a drain pan, jack stands, and gloves. Wear eye protection and allow the engine to cool. Consult the owner's manual for oil grade and capacity, and lay out tools for an efficient, safe oil change workflow. Start by warming the engine for a few minutes to thin the oil, then turn off the engine and locate the oil drain plug under the vehicle. Place the drain pan beneath it, loosen and remove the plug, and let the oil flow out until it slows to a steady drip. Inspect the drain plug and gasket for wear, clean the area, and replace the gasket if needed before reinstalling the plug and tightening to proper torque. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful car content. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free music and voice timers while you work, and it pairs well with your garage routine. It makes following steps easier and keeps you entertained. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After draining, remove the old oil filter and check the sealing surface for debris. Lightly coat the new filter gasket with fresh oil and install the new filter by hand until snug plus a partial turn. Replace the drain plug if not already done, then lower the car, add the specified amount of oil into the fill cap, run the engine briefly to circulate, check for leaks, and use the dipstick to confirm the correct oil level before finishing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.